Before checking, you must turn off the printer. Turn off at this one. Turn off is here. Turn off and remove the AC power cable out of the socket right there. Okay, now it is out for checking, and the connector, green connector, like here's the power for the main board. You can see the label in here is 24 O. Here is 24 and O contact, and when you check it is not 24 contact, so you check about this Y. Here's 4Y red, 2Y red, 2Y black, and you check in right here. Okay, you check 4Y of the power cable right here, and you catch 1Y here and pull it right here. Follow this direction to check the connection of the HY is half strong or is broken inside. Do it with 4 line here. Okay, next okay, after you check the connection of this wire with the connector here is so strong, and then you come to another side of this cable. It is in below here. The cable wire is come from the two source power. Right here is the first, and here is the second. In below you can see, easy to see, this label is at 24 voltage DC. Here you take it out of this one and find out something else. You see here is a ODC voltage. Here you take it out to check. Okay, here they will connect together into the plastic protect. Đẩy nó ra luôn. Rồi, okay. Yeah, right here. It will take together as this one. You just take care about some wire have the label is O voltage, 24 voltage. Yeah, 2Y, and you find out 2Y. Another is right here. This is 24 and it is O voltage. In this way, it's so very hard to check it, because the distance right here you can see is so very small. So you just check about the connection of this by pull this wire here, this wire, pull it down, move it down, and right here, like what did you do on the 4-wire cable. Right here is okay, 2-wire is okay, and then you check is contact right here. Pull it and check it. If it's okay, right here is our contact. Pull and check it. Okay. Then if all of the wire, the connection with the wire is power wire is okay. Next you check the connection of AC AC voltage. Here you can see here is AC neutral, and here is AC live right here. AC live is connect from here the AC supply, and here is AC neutral. You check the connection of this from the wire and connector right here. Right here. So put it up and check. Pull it. Follow this direction. If helps to check it have stronger or not. This is okay. And next is the live. The live is you do also do like this to check the connection of this, and then take it at tight. After do by this side, and you come to another side to check again. You can see the label in below right here have here we will check for light. Here you can see, oh, too difficult. You can see here. Okay. You see here is AC neutral 2Y and AC live 2Y here. You check also check on this. Pull it from in front to behind and check the connection of this. Have some wire here is broken, you can remove it easy. Not take this too strong because it may be make the broken on the connector, on the connection here. Have 4 lines look okay. Next is you find out have the wire is connection from the power AC source right here, this wire, and another wire is connect to AC source of the second power supply. You will check it also. This is this wire. Check it like some wire before, and find out the last wire. Where is it? Right here. It come near. It is near with the AC light. It's here. And you check also. Connection so good. Okay, after check on of the power supply 24 and our DC voltage, and the Y AC neutral and AC live, and on connection of the Y and connector is okay, please contact me.